Budget roofing is all about balancing upfront costs with how long the roof will last and how much it will cost to maintain over time. When you are comparing budget roofing material choices for a cost-conscious home, think in terms of cost per year of service instead of just the price the day you sign the contract. Asphalt architectural shingles are often the starting point because they are affordable, relatively thick, and handle wind and moderate hail better than basic 3-tab shingles, especially when installed with proper underlayment and starter strips at the eaves. Corrugated metal panels cost more than asphalt to install, but they can last 2 to 3 times longer, shed snow easily, and are ideal for simple roof shapes with longer straight runs. Composite shingles, which are made from blends of asphalt, polymers, and sometimes recycled materials, give you the look of premium slate or wood at a fraction of the weight and with less maintenance, making them a strong option where appearance and longevity both matter. No matter the material, adding continuous ridge vents along the peak of the roof helps control attic temperature and moisture, which protects shingles or panels from premature aging and can reduce energy bills by easing the load on your heating and cooling system. To really keep costs down, work with your designer to simplify the roofline with fewer hips, dormers, and valleys, since each of those features adds cutting, flashing, and labor time that can quietly add thousands of dollars to the final bill. There are a few common mistakes that quietly wreck a budget roof. Many people choose the absolute cheapest 3-tab shingle and then are surprised when it curls or sheds granules after a handful of harsh winters. So instead, step up one level to an architectural shingle for a much better cost to lifespan ratio. Others pour money into a complicated roof shape with lots of valleys and little decorative gables, not realizing that every extra corner adds both leak risk and labor, so it is smarter to design a simple gable or simple hip shape and invest the savings in better materials. Finally, a lot of homeowners skip proper attic ventilation because they assume it is optional, yet without ridge vents and balanced intake vents, the roof bakes from underneath. So, have your contractor calculate the needed vent area and include continuous ridge vents as a standard part of the job. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easier for homeowners to find local roofing contractors who understand budget-friendly material choices and practical roof designs. On our site, homeowners can post projects and contractors can find work, and we also host a discussion community where people share real experiences about materials, design choices, and long-term roofing costs.